When I wake up from my bed, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. It means thank you Allah for a brand new day. When I smile and when I play, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. It means all praise to Allah, come what may. For my clothes and shoes I wear, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Allah gives me gifts in every way. Alhamdulillah. For my home so safe and warm, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. It means thank you Allah every day. Alhamdulillah. When I drink and when I eat, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. It means thank you Allah for every treat. For my mommy and my dad, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. They care for me in a loving way. Alhamdulillah. For the sky, the stars, the trees, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Allah made them all so beautifully. Alhamdulillah. When I'm happy, when I cry, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Allah knows what's best night or day. Alhamdulillah. When I learn and when I grow, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. It means Allah helps me find my way. Alhamdulillah. So every time in every place, what do I say? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you Allah, always and always. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you Allah.